buying assets in the UK in 2018. Leading analysts and real estate indexes have been predicting subdued growth in 2018 in the UK. RICS claimed the house price will flatten due to low sales and cautious buying during Brexit. But the recent reports by Nationwide claim the growth was 2.5% in July. Some reports find there has not been much change between the sellers and buyers, and the house prices grew 1% in the first half. The listing of properties grew during this time and sales are still progressing, and the market has not halted yet. The property site suggested the number of sellers increased in this time as compared to previous years, and the asking price by the new sellers was a negative 0.1%. Investment from overseas continues to grab a major share of commercial deals in the UK. It is assumed most top deals are made by Asian buyers, but recent reports claim the US investors are diversifying noticeably in the UK real estate. The 2018 reports, till date, claim North American investors bought properties worth $2.7 billion in the UK. These are commercial properties, developmental lands, student accommodations and offices, where more than 70% investment went into rental accommodations and offices, whereas Asian investors mostly bought offices in UK. Investors from US, China and Hong Kong are leading investors in real estate in the top cities of UK and Germany. Many new Asian investors from Japan, Singapore and South Korea are looking for appropriate opportunities in European and US commercial and retail markets. The investors from Japan are new to these markets, but the investment is growing. The deal of Japanese company Mori Trust in Boston and another fund buying properties in Seattle are new trends from Japan. Currency volatility, complex global trades, interest rates and political situations are influencing investment decisions of local and foreign buyers. Asian and the US investors are seeking options in the UK to diversify in the new markets. In March, Hong Kong firm CC Land Holdings bought property in London, the Leadenhall building worth $1.5 billion. London remains the leading place for overseas buyers, followed by Frankfurt and Amsterdam. Besides, Germany, with a strong growing economy and low political issues, is attracting such investments. Many first-time Asian investors are buying commercial and residential properties in these regions due to simpler tax structure, available liquidity and simpler property regulatory system, as per CBRE. Many South Korean investors are buying properties in Austria, Berlin, Amsterdam and Frankfurt. As per the Knight Frank, the cross-border outflow is highest in commercial real estate, and Asia-Pacific invested up to $90 billion in real estate, which is higher than EU and North America. The outbound investment from Asia was highest in US and UK. The reason for increase in outbound investment is the growth in domestic markets.